recharge, live well. Think health and wellness.
Hi there, future origami masters. Today we're going to show you how to make a cat using origami. Let's begin. Step 1. Start with a square paper and fold it in half diagonally. Step 2. Fold that triangle in half again, side to side. This makes a little crease in the middle. Then open it back up. Step 3. Fold both corners up to make the kitty's ears. Step 4. Now fold the tip at the bottom up. This is the head. Step 5. Flip your paper over so the folds are in the back. Step 6. Draw a sweet cat face. Add big eyes, a heart-shaped nose, whiskers, and a little smile. And there you have it, your cute origami cat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!